Yeah, Peter, another year, another current conference. What are you highlighting this year?
Manesa, thank you. Thank you for taking the time to talk to me. So this year, basically, we have two items or two products that I want to talk to you about and introduce to the quarry industry as a whole as well. So first of all, we worked on a little bit of development for fine screening. Being in the industry, we know that a lot of the quarries struggle with fine productions, especially with the fact that the products that we mine is clayish and it blinds. And we've had numerous requests for working on something that can eliminate blinding on a finer aperture application. So what we've come up is this, what we call the side tension NBV mat. So the main advantages of a side tension NBV mat is that it goes into the screen and the application is exactly the same like woven wire mesh. So you don't have to do any structural changes to existing screens. It clamps with side clamps, the same like what your woven wire mesh would do. And then also it's modular in the sense that you have 305 strips that run across from side plate to side plate. Main advantage there is if you have an area of your screen area or screen mesh that has worn, like for instance an area there, you just replace one mesh area instead of taking out a complete mesh and putting in a new mesh. So what you would do is you would take out a wedge strip like that, take the mat out, put in a new mat, and then just hit your wedge strip back in. So that's ease of application, it's ease of labor, and it's much quicker to change out should you have an area where you have a failure. This mesh also, you only put it in once and you clamp it once. You would never clamp it again and move it out again because the framework of the mesh is in once, side tension, and it's in, and the rest of the time you would only work on replacing the modular strips in this mesh. The nice thing about it is that this mesh is alive and self-cleansing. If you see, if I tap on it a little bit, there's a lot of elliptical movement on this mesh, and that keeps it clean and safe, and that's why you don't have the blinding that occurs on this mesh. So it's a self-cleansing mesh. That's one of the items that I've got here on the stand this year that I'm sharing with the industry.